the right time to quit on your business? Crucial question. A lot of people ask this question, and I thought I'd cover it today for you guys, right? Now, the problem and the mistake a lot of people make, especially in 2026, is they want to see instant results, instant success, and they want to have, the problem is, look, we live in a society where we're doom scrolling all the time. TikTok, Instagram, we want instant results, we want instant success, and so on and so forth. Now, because of that, that causes a bit of a problem for us. The problem it causes, right, is that we are looking for instant results. And when we don't see instant results, we just feel like giving up. And in today's society, 90% of people want to see results within 2, 3, 4 weeks. And that doesn't necessarily have to be like money hitting your account. But they want to feel positive. They want to feel good. They want to, feel like I will be just fine. They want to feel like this is going to work. And if it's a little bit negative in the beginning, they'll just give up. And by the way, I know this, right? Because I teach people how to start a recruitment company. And in the beginning, not only am I managing the information, the knowledge, and teaching them something, not only am I managing that, I'm also managing how can I have it where you guys are motivated, consistent, and turning up every single day. So in the beginning, I'm managing the information, the knowledge, but I'm also managing holding your hand and getting you to turn up every day, right? So, and I know that you are right now, your mind is, it's sort of, you've unfortunately messed yourself up, but you're like trying to get instant results. That messes you up. So look, you will want to give up. And most people are likely to give up in the first 2 or 3 weeks. That's a fact. Most people give up on their goals when the year starts in 2026. You guys would have given up on your goals like a few days in, a week in, or 2 weeks in, right? Most people give up on their business a week in, or 2 weeks in, right? That's where most people give up. Most people are most likely to quit on their job, their first job, in the first month. That's a fact, right? So if you can get past that hurdle, then that's level 1. The level 2 is actually doing the work, because you might say, oh, I've been doing the work, I've been turning up, I've been doing this, I've been doing that, but actually you haven't, and only you know that. So being honest with yourself is very important. Like, are you actually being honest that have I actually been doing the work? Because if you haven't been doing the work, then it doesn't matter whether you've done it for 1 month or 6 months, because you haven't actually done the work. Here we're talking about a period of time where you've actually been doing some work, which is why my motto line is always, I would rather you guys put in a 20% amount of effort every single day than do 100% of effort for, 2 weeks and give up. Put in 20%. I mean, damn, like put in 10%. 10% of effort every day over 6 months is going to be so much more valuable than you guys putting in 100% and giving up after 2 weeks. 10% over 6 months, that's where you make the money. That's where you see success. And so if you have not, I'll put it like this. If you have not made money in your business and you cannot see the light, because that's important. Making money is different and seeing the light is different. You might be very close to hitting the money, and this isn't just recruitment or any other business model. This is anything, right? You guys might be very close and you're like, you know what? I'm close and I can see it, but because it's been 9 months, I'm going to give up. That doesn't make sense, right? So if you see like there's light at the end of the tunnel after about 9 months, then carry on. If you feel like there's no light after 9 months, then it may be time to pack up and start something else, whatever that might well be. But remember, there's key parts here. That 9 months only matters if you've actually been consistently turning up, if you've actually done the work, if you actually know what you're doing. Because many times I know people that try to start a business in something they don't know, and because they've seen someone else doing it, they think they're doing things the right way, but they're not doing it the right way. And when they do it the wrong way, they're like, oh, I should have seen success. It's been 9 months. I didn't. But they were just doing things the wrong way. They didn't have the right information and knowledge. So you can't now try to build a house with a screwdriver, but you can build a house with the right tools, right? And it might just take longer, but you just need the right tools. So that's important. Hopefully this makes sense. And hopefully these videos are of value to you guys. And make sure you're subscribing up and sharing with your family and friends, because trust me, tons of value.